Here you are with a quadratic to solve. 2x squared minus 3x minus 4 equals 0. Step 1 of the Hindu method is to identify a, b, c, 4a, and b squared. Alright, so a is 2, b is negative 3, c is negative 4. 4 times a, 4a is 4 times 2, so 8. B squared is negative 3 squared, which will give us a 9. We're going to need those numbers in a minute. Next step is to transpose the 4. 4 comes over to the right side. Left side stays the same, but adding a little bit of space there. Next step is to multiply both sides by 4a, which in this example is 8, as we calculated. Therefore, we shall multiply both sides by 8. Distribute on the left side. That's the next step. Therefore, we have 16x squared minus 24x. Leave space. On the right side, we have 4 times 8, which is 32. Following step is to add b squared to both sides. B squared we calculated as 9. So in green I will add 9 to both sides. That's a 9. Alright. At this point, what we have on the left side of the equation is a perfect square trinomial, which means that it equals a squared binomial. Let's write that squared binomial. Remember that what we do is you take the square root of the first term. So the square root of 16x squared is 4x. The square root of the third term is 3. Next, the operation. In the middle term here, the operation was subtraction. Therefore, the operation inside the squared binomial will be subtraction. On the right side, we have to add 32 plus 9. Let's see, that should be 41. Okay, take square root of both sides next. Don't forget the plus minus on the right side. Left side simplifies down very nicely. That's always going to be the case here. Right side, I think, is as simple as we could ever want. 41 doesn't really break down in any way, doesn't reduce. And then the last few steps is just solving for x by the principles of simple equations. Transpose the 3. And that leaves 4x on the left. Next would be to divide both sides by 4, the coefficient of the unknown x. 4's cancel on the left, and that leaves us x equals 3. Whoops, sorry about that. We have to divide both sides by 4. You can't be choosy here. All right, 3 plus or minus square root of 41, all divided by 4. And we'll just leave that answer in that format. That takes care of all we really need to cover with the Hindu method in this example, I believe. Thanks.